Welcome, everyone. If you are planning on visiting Ocean City in the next month and are thinking about taking a day trip down to Assateague Island, then be advised that there is a road paving project underway that will last until the end of June on Route 611. So it's going to be from Buck's Place, which is about 3 miles away from the Assateague Island. And also Buck's Place is at the junction of Route 611 and Route 376, which is the road that will lead you to Berlin. So if you're planning on visiting the Assateague Island National Park or the Assateague Island State Park or the Visitor Center or the boat ramp right across from the Visitor Center, plan for some heavy delays, particularly here later in May and in June as you make your way down to the island. Also, if you're a golfer and have a tee time at two of the golf courses down at South Point, which would be the Ocean City Golf Club and Rum Point, you also might want to leave a little extra time to make sure you're not late for that tee time. So this is just a little public service announcement, just to let everybody know what's going on. And we have Memorial Day weekend coming up, and so let's hope we have some good weather. All right, thanks for watching, and have a good day. I thought I would shoot one more little segment so you can see exactly where they're currently working. And so this section is close to the junction of routes 376 and 611, which is at Buck's Place. So maybe they're going to work from both ends and then finish the project in the middle. All right, so just be aware that there could be some significant delays on Route 611 for about the next 5 weeks. All right, take care, everybody.